prove a point to people on social media.
On social
know?
media. You're not even trying to attract a rich man from Dubai.
That's how they attract the rich men. So what other girls do is that they buy fake designer, right? Okay, my designer is real. Just putting it out there.
Oh, okay.
They buy
That's on LV and Gucci. Down.
On some designer shit.
they buy fake designer from small streets or like these places.
So I know about Kappa. You just say to me, let's go. How do you know specifically?
Because we have people that, when you're saying you're Chomi, but she went there. Because we not necessarily like gossip about other people's lives, but when the tea comes, the tea comes.
Yeah.
You know? So they buy, like, for example, fake design or whatever. They go to a cute restaurant or coffee shop, whatever. They take pictures there. They look rich or expensive, whatever. And then that way, and men are very gullible and some are stupid. So they'll be like, oh, she's wearing this. She has this. Let me DM her. And that's how they DM the rich nigga. I mean, that's how they DM
DM'd.
yes, sorry. And then obviously they're going to portray a fake lifestyle, and then afterwards they get flown to Dubai, Thailand,
and then get the real
stuff. And then that's when they get the real stuff. And then from getting the real stuff, they move on to the real men. And then that's how they, they get in slowly but surely. Okay.
So Nakwita, I want to know, who does the double life more, ne? The gents or the girls?
The girls.
The girls do it more.
Especially in Joburg. I swear to God, guys, there's a lot of, it's scary. They're always trying to prove a point to somebody or someone somehow.
Why, Joburg?
So because that's the Joburg standard, unfortunately.
No, I would understand the other one, the building up to actually getting the real stuff and getting a man who's gonna actually take care of you and buy you those. But the one of proving a point on social media,
it's deep.
So I remember Tahi said something or.
Hi guys, I hope you all are taking note. Anyway, this one said apparently she was explaining her life, allegedly. Was she? Kodwa indlela anolwazi ngayo. Ulwazi analo ngathi nje ukhuluma from experience baby girl. But ke asas. Mihlali used to do this a lot. Really? How guys? When was this? Because uMihlali phela daba nemali. Beka thenga ama fake design. Our guys, ngihlala ngoMihlali. I don't believe that. Or let me just say, maybe that time ngangamfollow uMihlali. But kade ngamfollow uMihlali. Guys, angazi asas. Shame. Utilo, if I post my nice life, I attract broke dudes who want the lifestyle from me. Hey, and okay manje ave bama princess ave beyithanda izinto. Yo, they'll approach you ngoba bebona ukuthi uposta aboy lifestyle impilo eposta kanjani, and then they'll inbox you thinking ukuthi unenqwaba imali. Okay, uqinisile. Guys do that. Okay manje. Shame, bathanda ogela abanemali. Bafuna ogela abanemali nje. Basile. Giving us ideas. I hope you all are taking notes. Lol. Ooh, me taking notes on how to attract rich men. Abanye abantu vele lento lesho ulo unakhwida bazoyithatha ngendlela ebhedayo yabo ukuthi nje ayibo indaba ezokhuluma lezi zinto lezi kwi-podcast. Kodwa guys, let's be honest, akekho nje umuntu ongathanda ukuya eDubai. Don't lie. Do not lie. And akekho futhi umuntu ongathanda ukuba nendoda enemali ezokwazi umisa eDubai. Don't lie. Do not lie. Ukuthi nje abanye benu bayathanda ukuzenza ngcono ngathi ni innocent. Akekho nje ugelo ongayithanda imali, akekho nje ugelo ongayithanda indoda enemali ezomtravelisa, imthengela ama designer. Sengasho nje okushoyo, but uyalazi iqiniso guys, niyalazi, sonke siyalazi. I'm going to try it. Ngizobuya ne-review. Ungihlekiselani kodwa? Why do I feel like she's explaining how she started? Yeah, Namshe Mafunkamanga, I feel like Lenda Shoyo, she is saying it from experience. Like, she looks guilty. I like that she doesn't show off her BBL. Oh honey, let me tell you something. Yabona nje muzohamba uye noma ikephi la kuyiwa khona wenze i-BBL. Ibe yilento le osukuyifuna, trust me, angeke uzoyifihla. There is no way you can spend so much money and then hide it. No. I think uNakwida, let me tell you something. Nizobona futhi uNakwida, she's gonna go for a second BBL, I'm telling you. Ningathi angitshelanga. uNakwida i-BBL yes wayenza, but I don't think ukuthi yaba yilento le ayifuna. Loyana uzophindela, she's gonna do a second one. You'll see. Just wait and see. Maybe that is why I show off like that, because it's not what she wanted. Don't ask me how I know that. Akayifihli futhi yazi khona ithombe zakhe la agcoke khona ilo ibikini lapha ku Instagram wakhe. Uyabona akubonakala nokuthi wenza i-BBL, uyabona nje ukuthi guys udokotela wakhe hayi akenzanga kahle hle umsebenzi. Yabo i-BBL yabo enhle. Yabo who's this uBig Nans naye wayehamba wayenza okokuqala. Kwacaca ukuthi shuthi akayithandanga kubanga lento le ayifuna, waphindela okwesibili. Yabona ke manje la nayo le manje le yesibili, hayi man ngiyakutshela. Uyabona lapho ukuthi lo mzimba lo usetshenziwe, it looks perfect. Perfect. Utilo, I think Nakwida is talking about herself and her friends, because where does she get all this info? We know nothing about. She sounds so well informed. Yeah, ne? Lol, girl, you are actually telling us about your life. Oh, fake it until you make it. Exactly. Fake it until you make it. Isingisisho njalo, guys. So, ziyekeni nganza abantu zenze ngendlela ezenza ngayo. Not her exposing herself. Ay guys, animyekeni. Okusalayo manje usethenga ama-designer ngempela, akasawathenga i-fake. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Please share your thoughts under the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next one.